Today's topic is all about nail powders. If you do not know what nail powders are, they are different types of art powders. It's not like acrylic powder. That does not count as like a nail art powder. It could be chromes, holograph, mirror, duochrome, and even very, very fine glitter. This is another popular type of powder, and it's flaky. For example, this is a duochrome flaky that we carry. And this is another type of powder, and it's like an illusion powder. Low quality powder and high quality powder definitely affects the cost and amount of powder you will get. High quality powder requires a lot of high quality pigments, and that can be very pricey.